Surprise! Happy birthday, Lolo! This is Jaden. Wait, say hi, Daddy. Okay. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Ay, no. Happy birthday! Okay, blue na ka na. Yay! Happy birthday, Lolo! Oh, more? Okay, more. Okay, sing ka sa Lolo, ha? Okay. Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lolo! I love you, Lolo! See you soon! Lolo, I love you! Okay, blow the candle. Yay! I love you, Lolo! Hi! I love you! Kiss, kiss. Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday po! Surprise! Ay, careful lang. Okay, Dad. Happy birthday. Thank you po for everything. And to Nanay too, thank you as well for everything. Thank you po for taking care of my son, si Jover. Thank you for loving, to Jover. And binigyan ka namin ng big party. You deserve it, Daddy. And kami ng mga kapatid ko na talaga nag-effort. Thank you din sa lahat. And Daddy, thank you sa lahat ng advice at pagmamahal bawat isa sa amin. And see you guys soon. Hopefully this year po, end of this year, we're going back home. Kita-kita tayo dyan. And wish ko sa Daddy, anong tawag dito? Wala nang inom kasi tumatanda na kayo. Huwag na kayo masyado mag-inom. Ano na lang, magsabong na lang. At saka, to Jover, mahalin mo ang Daddy, at saka Nanay. Basta, enjoy ka sana ngayong birthday mo, and uwi na kami. Lapit na. Kita-kita rin lahat. Been 12 years. Long years, Dad. Going back home. And, basta, nakikita-kita tayo, Dad. Gusto na kayo lahat. Sobrang miss. Love you all. Happy birthday again. Thank you. Bye, Lolo. Bye, Lolo. Okay. Bye, Jover. See you soon. Kuya Jover.